Came to
Come on, guys,
Ahmedabad.
make some noise. We've
Came
got
to.
Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina Kaif with us. Katrina, please show your lovely face. Come little
Come,
close.
come,
Let them
Katrina, come
give
little
them
my lovely face.
Give them kisses.
I'm wearing a kurta today. Sid and me are discussing if this is a kurta
Yes.
or an anarkali or a salwar or a
It's an open
pajama.
kurta, it's
But
up to
it's
you guys to
something.
decide.
And
Absolutely.
Sid is wearing a lovely camouflage.
Yes.
I've been told this is called camouflage.
Camouflage.
Oh my
Camouflage.
God.
But it's
I'm on
blue.
camouflage.
That is
Camouflage.
beautiful and blue,
Yes.
and here you can
So we
see all
have-
the likes that have started coming in.
We
What's
have made
up?
a big attempt in our dress code for Ahmedabad. So
Yes,
Yay! So
very
there's so
early in the
much
morning,
love on Red
actually in
FM
the middle
India.
of the night, so we're actually going to say goodnight. So
There
early
is
in the
Ritesh
morning is
Chaudhary,
night.
there is Jolly, there is
Hi Ritesh,
Deep.
hi Marian. Okay, so
Intro.
I'm gonna have to read for Sid today because
I'm not wearing my
he's
specs.
not
here.
wearing his specs,
Yeah.
yeah, guys. So Dia's gonna be
I've
reading
become a
for Jay.
professor on this film.
अच्छा और थोड़ा
No,
सा
it's
थोड़ा सा
professors.
He's in character, and professors always
Ah,
need specs. Right?
Exactly.
Exactly.
I've forgotten
Actually,
my
what
specs.
it is, he can see just fine. But nowadays, Sid just doesn't take off his kala chashma
Basically, I
for
let her do
anyone.
exactly.
And he makes
I
him
like to
do
wear
all
my
the
color
work.
chashma and let her do all the work.
check that out यहाँ पे कितने सारे दिल हैं બધા ગુજરાતીઓને
Hi,
કેમ છો
Mayur.
મને તમારા માટે પ્રેમ છે કહી દો
અરે વાહ.
મને તમારા માટે પ્રેમ છે કટરીના
મને તમારા માટે પ્રેમ છે.
Okay.
મને
તમારા માટે
Tamara mate,
બહુ પ્રેમ છે
do prem che.
બહુ
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 પ્રેમ છે.
बहुत
A lot,
प्यार
a
है,
lot,
बहुत
a lot,
प्यार
a lot,
है।
of course, always a
સારું
lot.
છે.
तो बार बार देखो के लिए हम अहमदाबाद में हैं टशनबाज के लिए हर एक कॉलेजेस में आज
Yes,
सिड और
one
कटरीना
second.
जाने वाले
Abhay
हैं
has sent a message saying cat and nothing else.
Cat.
Just
He
cat.
likes cats.
K-A-T. Just,
Yeah.
just cat.
Cat.
What about cat hi or like hey what's up?
I
How
know,
are
you?
I know. Here, Maulik
Cat.
Patel is asking you, how are you, Katrina? And there is
who's
Vikrant
who's
Seth.
asking me that?
Maulik
Maulik
Patel.
Okay.
How are you,
hi.
Vikrant Seth.
I'm really good. I'm really good.
Yeah, Ahmedabad weather is really nice,
Sid's wearing a
guys.
camouflage
Yes. It's
jacket
pleasant.
and I'm wearing an open kurta.
Isn't it nice and pleasant today? It's not that warm.
It
It's
is
nice.
lovely and pleasant, but my question is, why is it a little misty in the air? Is it a little fog in the air?
Yes, it is beautiful क्योंकि ये यहाँ की बारिश जो है कटरीना एंड सिड is very different than मुंबई की बारिश
अच्छा।
जहाँ पे pouring मतलब ऐसे होता है जैसे अभी दिल फाड़ के कोई प्यार कर रहा है किसी को यहाँ पे धीरे धीरे रोमांस थोड़ा थोड़ा सा
Slowly,
build up
slowly.
होता है
अच्छा।
Yes.
धीरे धीरे.
Wow.
Yes, so that's
Slowly.
exactly how it is.
Slowly. I want to
It's
see.
about
Both of you are looking
lasting it
great.
long.
Both of us are looking great.
Thank
You
That's
guys are
good
looking
news.
stunning, and
So
where-
I'll go back and change.
And
Yes.
where is somebody is asking where is Katrina ka
Okay.
kala chashma?
Ka-
Does Katrina
Ujjwala-
need a kala
Katrina
No,
chashma?
no, I've got my Kala Chashma. We're going to be
So-
doing a lot of Kala Chashma later on today, but I have to read the questions, guys.
Yes, guys,
absolutely.
shoot.
Sid's got
Here-
the swag, and I've got to be the practical one, okay?
That's what he
Sorry.
said.
Looking good, both
Yeah.
of you. Welcome to
I
Ahmedabad.
said Sid's
Oh,
got
acha.
the swag, and I have to be the
Oh,
practical
yeah, please
one. Someone has to read, no? Okay, guys, we need some questions.
Acha, yahan-
Siddharth,
First of all, guys,
you're
we're going
looking
to the
nice too.
Hasmukh
Siddharth,
College
you're
of
looking
Engineering.
nice.
Which is
Where we going?
Katrina's favorite song in
Where we
Bar
going?
Bar Dekho.
Hasmukh College of Engineering.
One
Yeah.
second, guys. Sid has an
Huh.
announcement.
Huh.
We're going to the Hasmukh College of Engineering today.
Yes,
Any of you want to meet us at Ahmedabad,
absolutely.
we will
Then
see you
that's
guys
the
there
place to
at
come.
1. Yes,
Yes.
that's the place to come.
और यहाँ पे लोग पूछ
And
रहे
it's 11:42 right now, so you don't have much time.
Yes,
so
so
wherever you
run.
are, you might want to
Yeah.
just
They are,
run.
they are asking a
take
question
a
here.
car.
Katrina, they are asking a question
Yeah.
here, saying आपका favorite गाना बार बार देखो में से कौन सा है?
Bar bar dekho miss say. For sure, Kala Chashma.
Kala-
I'll tell you in order. I'll do in order. I'll tell you in
Oh,
order.
check
So
that
number-
out.
Okay,
Check that
so
out, people
friends
on the
of ours,
bike.
What's up, guys? How are you? I think they're coming to the event, guys.
Yeah,
Number one is
absolutely.
Kala Chashma. Number 2 is So Asman. Number 3 is Darya.
Okay, and
Number
there's
4 is Khair Mangadi.
here it is.
And number 5 is I don't think we have one.
Oh, nice. She's
Five.
cute on cue. Play it, please, right now.
We should be able to play.
We don't
the
have
song.
any music, so Sid's
We
gonna
did-
She
sing
does, she
for
does,
us.
she does, she does.
We have to play the song.
No.
Sid, I'll clap, you sing.
I can do the rap though. We
Yeah,
should do the
yeah,
rap
let's
though.
do. Let's do. 1,
Oh, we
2,
wanna hear
3,
a
go.
romantic song.
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू
आग
आग लगा दे बेबी फायर
fire.
नकली से नखरे तू
करके
करे
जो
जब
देखे
देखे
मुझे
हमें छूटी
जी लाया।
काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला तिल
जचता है तेरे तिल
पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10 बार
लड़के तुम्हार ही देती
होगी तू दिन में
I'm a little concerned right now that
See?
you don't crash the car because she's,
No, she's
dancing
fine, guys.
and wearing
She's
chashma.
a really good
Same
driver,
time.
Ahmedabad. You guys are in safe hands and so are
Yes,
we.
yes, yes. And you guys are extremely safe with us. We are
If we
going to
don't make it
Riverfront
to
by
the
the way.
college, we were looking forward to seeing you. We love you all, and we would have danced.
अच्छा
to
ये
you.
ये बात सही है सिड कि आपने कैट को ऐसा बोला था कि इस गाने में तुमने मुझे पूरा खा लिया है, मतलब एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग एट यू ओनली और कोई मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है.
खा लिया?
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं
No,
पड़ी थी,
no, no.
वो दिख रहा
I
था.
was not eating Sid. I was eating very less in fact.
Yes.
I was on a
She was
vegetarian
on a
diet.
diet.
I was on a
क्या-
vegetarian diet.
Please,
That's
please,
why.
मैं बोल रहा था
अहमदाबादी
इस गाने
लड़कियों
में, मैं बोल रहा था इस गाने में कि खा ले, प्लीज खा ले. ये बोल रहा था बिकॉज इतनी कमजोर लग रही थी, मैं
कुछ तो
वो
खा लो,
सारी
कुछ तो
कमजोरी.
खा लो. Actually, on the last day of pack up, we
हाँ.
packed up at 6 in the morning.
Okay,
I'll tell you.
okay.
And we all changed, and
Okay.
then me and Sid stood outside with some of
हाँ.
the crew and all that.
Uh-huh.
And we went to the Marriott.
Okay.
And we had a
Yes.
big buffet pancake breakfast with
Because we were shooting all night, the song was shot in the night.
Okay.
chocolate and what else
Yes,
did
we
we
went straight to a buffet, breakfast buffet, and then
Okay.
that's it. We didn't leave for like 2 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, we were there for a while.
Wow.
There
तो
just wasn't enough food though at that buffet. It wasn't like
पर ये
we
क्या
needed more.
You know,
we needed more and more.
She's a big
अहमदाबादी
pancake
लड़कियों का सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि कैसे कटरीना डू यू मेंटेन द ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस सेक्सी बॉडी दैट यू हैव.
Something's attacking me. Hold on. There's a war happening in this car. 1 second. It's attacking me. Bye bye. Something's attacking me. It's gone outside now.
Okay. It's gone
I'm
outside.
sorry. What was the question?
ના so I was saying कि
How do you-
અમદાવાદી લડકીએ પૂછેંગી કે આટલી બધી પાતળી કમર આ નમણી નારની કેવી રીતે છે.
So, I'm going to presume that what you said was something about my kamar.
હા
That's been switched off. What happened?
Phone is
no
left.
no 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 don't finish it. It'll start on its own.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
He'll
Sorry,
make
we're
it.
only chatting on one now.
Something about my kamar. A good way to have a good kamar waistline is to do the hula hoop.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
by the way, I'm not joking now. This is actually something I learned from Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
He puts weights in the hula hoop.
Really?
I don't know if you'll get mad at me for sharing the secret, but it's okay.
Wow.
He puts weights in the hula hoop, and if you do that again
Wow.
and again and again, it's actually very tough. And me and Sid can demonstrate this for you at a later date.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
I think
Hula
it's
hoop, yes.
हाँ.
Hula hoop with weights.
Oh, that
Katrina
would be
reads her
amazing.
lines also like.
So Sid,
Yeah.
you also do this.
I,
also do this.
I don't have such a thin waist, so I'm fine. I don't need to show my waist
Like that
also.
is how you go.
So it's
Okay.
Katrina's waist I'm interested in. Not mine. So I think I'll help her do that.
So you both have been to Ahmedabad before.
Yes.
Sid, आप तो मुझे भगा के ले जाने वाले
Yes.
थे last time.
Yes. उठाया भी था आपको मैंने.
हाँ, तो आज मैं आपको भगा के ले जा. You know
आज आप
about that
मुझे
story.
लेके जा रही हैं.
I was not with you last time.
I know, but he was there and he
इनका हमारा
lifted me.
रिश्ता काफी पुराना है. क्योंकि मैंने इनको उठाया, आज ये मुझे भगा रही है.
This is an exciting relationship.
Yes.
Starting out
Absolutely.
well.
Correct.
Looks like it has a
Absolutely.
great future.
Definitely.
Just like Baar Baar Dekho.
ये क्या है हमारे
It's a
लिए?
future of relationships.
Yes, ये आपके लिए है. You have to sign those mugs
Red FM
for all
बजाते रहो.
Ahmedabadi loving people.
अच्छा अच्छा ट्रैफिक आगे.
Yes.
शुक्रिया.
We are
Yo.
stopping traffic
Is
right
the-
now.
is the
There are-
pen.
There's a
Oh, wow.
long line of cars behind us.
Correct.
Should we take some questions?
Yeah,
Yes,
come
go
take some
ahead.
questions,
But I can't
please.
take any questions because they're just comments. It's
Guys,
just,
ask
it's
us some
comments.
questions. We're in
Ritesh is
Ahmedabad.
saying
It's a really
hi.
cool.
Ujjwal is saying something.
Shop right away.
थोड़ा आगे हाँ. Pramod is saying hi. Dipanshu is saying sing Kala Chashma in Bhojpuri. Do you know Kala Chashma in Bhojpuri?
Yeah, Katrina's second language.
Yeah, it is my second language, but I don't want to give Sid a complex. So Sid is going to teach it to us in Bhojpuri. Can you please help us out in Bhojpuri?
In Bhojpuri,
Yeah.
आज मेरा
Anyone knows Kala Chashma in Bhojpuri?
आज मेरा व्रत है मैं
Kala
खाता
Chashma in
नहीं हूँ.
Bhojpuri. I don't know, but I really want to know what is
Ek line.
khasmanu khane.
खसमानो
Khasmanu
खाने
Khan is like is like a swear, like
Like
a
a-
promise. You know?
Oh, okay.
like खसमानो खाने is Punjabi thing
Like-
of saying कि it's like just saying कि हट परे हट types like whatever
हाँ.
like
भाग जाए यहाँ से.
हाँ खसमानो खाने.
अच्छा. Very
खसमानो
good.
actually is खसमा is your husband or whatever your partner.
Khasma is your husband.
Yeah, खसमानो खाने. खसमानो खाने.
I would believe we will believe him because he's Punjabi, so we'll have to collaborate.
I'm guessing, huh?
Not
खसमानो
that
खाने
both
is a
of-
slang. It's
not
a
that
slang
both of
in
us have a
Punjabi.
choice.
Yes.
If anyone
It's a slang
who's
in Punjabi.
watching can just send us Kala Chashma and Bhojpuri, then we can read it out for you guys. So
Yeah, that'll be
if you
amazing.
type it out fast,
Guys,
then
there
we
was a
can
Kala
read it.
Chashma in Gujarati. Did you guys hear that and see that? I
Yes.
thought that was really good. It's on YouTube. We're gonna.
Katrina, where is your
We should play it
sunglass?
today.
Which
We
was
should
really
play it
good.
today.
They are
Do we
asking
have
where
it
is the
at the-
sunglass?
No, we don't have it now. We should play Kala
Do we,
Chashma in
no, we
Gujarati.
should play it at the, we should play it at the, where we're going at the college.
yeah,
we should play
yeah,
the
yeah.
Gujarati version.
Gujarati version.
I think we should let's
We do
start
have
the
it.
show. We're gonna tell our peoples. We're gonna tell them to play the Gujarati version.
Any other questions,
Absolutely,
guys?
No,
absolutely.
everyone's just commenting. Hi,
Commenting,
Siddharth.
hi,
Waiting
guys.
for you somewhere. Can you please tell me about some funny experience on the sets? Please. tell
Funny
me
experience on
about
the
some
funny experience on set. Funny experience on set would be Kala Chashma song.
Okay.
I think Katrina Kaif has not done so many
Dance numbers.
dance. She's done not so
songs.
many duet dance numbers. So just
connect on its own.
Oh, there it is. Hi
We're
guys.
back. Hi
So we're
guys.
back. So we're back. We should take some fresh
Okay,
questions
shall we do
now.
some first questions? If you have an opportunity to work in Pakistan, would you accept? I'll be
Yes,
fast
of
now.
course.
Okay, yes, it would. Katrina, take my name. I wish you. Hi, Tarun. In Bhojpuri, please sing. Tell us how to
Who
sing
has
it in
told you that she
Bhojpuri.
knows Bhojpuri?
हाँ,
Someone
please.
tell me.
कोई लिखो
Why
भेजो मुझे।
Bhojpuri?
Wait, do a Kala Chashma on the lakeside of Udaipur. Best way to promote a movie. Are we going to Udaipur?
Yes, we should.
Okay, if we are coming to Udaipur, we
आज
will
आज
know.
ऑलरेडी आप अहमदाबाद के रिवर फ्रंट पे काला चश्मा कर रहे हो, so please tell
Correct.
them.
Yes, guys, we're going to be on the riverfront.
Ahmedabad.
मैं कटरीना को riverfront दिखाने लेके जा रहा हूँ.
Hi.
Jay
Oh,
Diaz
oh,
going to be
oh.
there.
but we're not in Udaipur. He was from Udaipur.
No, we're saying riverfront in Ahmedabad.
So we're going to the riverfront in Ahmedabad, but
So-
Udaipur we were trying to come to your
But you guys
riverfront
get to
as
see
well.
us live. So
Yeah, which is great. और अहमदाबाद के बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में हम टशनबाज
Yes.
लोगों को ढूंढने वाले हैं.
yes,
So
we're
that
going to
is
have a
also going to
contest
be-
where you guys can dance with us.
Absolutely.
Group with Katrina Kaif, and hopefully you'll say after looking at her कि इसको बार-बार देखो.
अच्छा ये बात सही है कि आप जब बार बार देखो के लिए शूट कर रहे हो
हाँ.
तो when you are out on the shoot
हाँ.
ऐसी बहुत सारी बातें होती है जिसकी वजह से लोग अंदर अंदर लड़ पड़ते हैं और फिर वापस while you're reworking together so chemistry का प्रॉब्लम अगर दो एक्टर्स के बीच में ड्यूरिंग द शूट फाइट हो जाए तो वापस कैसे पैच अप करना पड़ता है because you go to work together, right?
People don't fight on shoots. Like I find
No,
it's
like
actually
everybody
funny.
who work together,
No,
maybe लोग लड़
no,
लेते
you
हैं.
really don't fight. I've never fought with any actor on set except once,
Huh.
where actually it was many years ago, but everyone was very very tired at that moment, and there was like. I think it was just like everyone was just trying to get something right.
Okay.
But for the most part, everyone's really happy on a film set, and
Really?
everyone's working towards something which is really special. Like cinema's forever. I think sometimes because we take it is the glamour entertainment industry we call it, we forget that actually movies are forever. They're gonna
Absolutely.
be here after we're gone. And
Absolutely.
that's
True.
you can't change that. You can't
Yeah.
you can't sit and say Charlie, I'll shoot that
Steven
shot again.
Spielberg said that pain is temporary, but film is forever.
That's the best way of putting it.
Yes. So then there's no time to fight.
Ain't no time for
or waste
fight.
time.
अच्छा
And
ये
then
बात
also
सही है
we're
कि बार बार
actors.
देखो is not about time travel.
It is not about time travel, guys. बार बार देखो is fictitious कहानी की ऐसे अगर आपकी जिंदगी में होता तो कैसा होता कोई
Okay.
कोई ऐसा डिवाइस नहीं है जिससे आगे पीछे जाता है टाइम पे वो.
अच्छा.
I think it also talks about today's youth, how all of us prioritize our careers and less, bothered about our personal relationships or our families
Okay.
in a way.
Okay.
And then
Don't
how,
do that.
Yeah, I mean, and
Big
how,
mistake.
because you eventually won't be happy. So then how this character, Jay Verma, which I'm playing, goes on this journey where he could see the future of his love story.
Okay.
And then,
And
does
then?
he learn? I don't know, does he understand? Does he fix things? And how he transforms and understand that balance is very important.
Oh.
Your professional life and personal life.
अच्छा आप
And
दोनों
to get this answer, come and find out on.
All
Which is
three
no,
times.
It's a very interesting date.
Which is again.
कटरीना क्या ये
It
बात
was
सच है that you
9th,
really
9th, 2016, which is 9.
9
right?
again, yes.
9 2000
999.
yes is this
Find the answer to what Jay does.
Acha.
Does he find the
And even
answer?
3 9 and 27, which is also a 9.
Does he find a solution? Huh?
I think
Acha.
999 is
Huh?
27,
Huh?
which is also a 9.
This is a
Yeah.
lot of nines.
That's a lot of
It's a
nines.
good sign. I don't
Yes.
know why, but it's a good
do
sign.
you know this that in Ahmedabad अगर लोग घर खरीदते हैं तो उसका अगर total 9 बनता है तो they also change their sale deed to make sure that they get a 9 number.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
they do.
Yeah, so it's
This
a very, very
Wow.
auspicious
This is
number.
good news, so that
Our
everyone.
film is definitely people are coming on 9th of
It's going to
September.
become super hit.
On Ahmedabad, yes.
This is good news for Ahmedabad and for our film.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि कटरीना आपने जब पहली बार ये स्टोरी सुनी तो did you cry after the narration? Is that true?
Yes, it's very true. I did.
Okay.
Not after.
Okay.
During.
During.
Yeah.
जब मैंने पहली बार सोनी सुनी तो I started eating.
Yes.
You started eating.
Yes.
It
ये
was-
क्या
It
है?
was
मैं
eating. I
भूखा
was
था
crying.
और ये रो रही थी.
Correct.
ये दुखी थी और मैं भूखा था. So that was the combination.
Okay. And which one is your most favorite moment of the film? If you can just tell us little bit. अगर ये live में इतने सारे अहमदाबादी सुन रहे हैं, पूरा इंडिया सुन रहा है, so they should
I
know.
think So Asman, the song So Asman for me is very romantic.
Okay.
I also think it shows a kind of easy romance. It's not too orchestrated. It's not, if you actually see this, not too choreographed. I mean, this beach में there's little bit of
Yeah,
dance scene, but
yeah.
it's more just about how two people would actually be when they're in love, and that you just kind of there's a lot of hugging and jumping and. happiness and joy. And to me, it looks like two people who are in love. And
Oh.
looks sweet,
Wow.
nice. And I know I got it. I can tell you my exact moment.
Okay.
So if you see the trailer of the film, it starts out where it says, a few lines that say the same, and then there's a moment where he says Jay plus Dia equals love, and there's a shot of us holding hands like this,
Aww.
and
the
like
beach,
profile
yeah.
beach, doing like one of those like, oh, push me, no, I'm pushing you, one of those kind of moments, and that honestly, genuinely is my favorite moment in the film. I think it is just such a, it's like a heartwarming shot.
You're so mushy and cute. Oh. That is our cute Katrina
Yeah,
with
plus
us.
Dia equals love, ka shot.
Yes, watch that, guys. If you
Katrina,
haven't seen
hold
it.
hand of Sid once.
Oh.
Once, bar.
बार
I'm holding it.
पकड़ो
I'm
हाथ.
holding it. I'm not letting go.
Okay.
Katrina, something. Sorry.
Katrina Siddharth,
Tell us
welcome to
something.
Ahmedabad.
Nice.
Welcome, guys. You've been
All-
welcomed
All the songs
and
are
roaming around.
good. Where? If someone's asking where, I think you should tell them where. I don't know
Where?
what. Just where.
Where?
That's the question. Where?
Where are we
Where are
going?
we going, mate?
We're going to
Where?
Riverfront.
See,
Riverfront.
No,
Ahmedabad
no,
We're
Riverfront.
going to Riverfront.
College,
That's a very
college
deep
ka
question.
naam
Where
batao.
are we going?
College ka naam batao.
We all need to enjoy the
Enjoy the journey, not
enjoy the
just
journey,
the destination.
not the
तो
destination.
college का नाम बता दो
But
ना.
college का नाम है. In Ahmedabad, if you guys want to see us, we are going to Hasmukh College of Engineering.
Hasmukh
Hasmukh.
College of Engineering. People.
Yes.
Hasmukh College of Engineering. Okay.
Okay, we've got some traffic,
Okay,
guys.
we've got some traffic and
Maneuvering away.
yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
One second, this is a little tricky. My friend here, my friend. Tell everyone your name.
Chirag, show your face.
This is Chirag. This is half-faced Chirag. Chirag is now going to read some questions because it's too
Yes.
far from me and my eyes. I thought, okay, or he's going to bring it closer. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I am Arpan, a huge fan. Are we going to Calcutta? Yes, we are. When are we going to Calcutta?
Yes,
Day
we're going to
after.
calculate. The day after,
What
guys.
date is that? Does anyone know the date? Day after? I don't know, but it's day after we're coming to Calcutta, so
31st.
we are going to see you there.
See, for that, you will definitely know when Barbara Dekho
Sid,
team comes
damn
in.
good
But
jacket.
yesterday,
Sid, damn
thank
good
you.
jacket.
But yesterday, I have to say, I think we've got the best response coming in from the airport. There was band, baja, like people wearing kala chashma. There was loud music. I think one of the best welcomes we've got from Ahmedabad. So
क्या
thank you
बात
guys.
है, very
जो
nice.
कल रात को इतनी excitement थी, इतने लोग आए थे देखने के लिए. We're hoping to receive the same once we go to all the colleges and interact here. So yeah, looking forward to Ahmedabad. Always, I'm going to make her go to the riverfront. See some, hopefully get her
Take
start
me to
cheating
the
from her
riverfront.
diet. Yes, not make her, take her to the riverfront and make her cheat in her diet and try some local Guju food.
Sid, someone is asking you to open your chashma and make that words.
Open my chashma.
Yes.
Chashmas don't open; they just come off.
There's a request for you to open your chashma.
अच्छा,
Slowly.
take off your
Ta-da.
oh, ta-dang, 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 ta-dang,
Close up.
ta-dang, ta-dang.
Kala
Close
chashma.
up.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
What's
god.
up, guys? Any other questions?
There
Acha.
are. Let's read them.
What we can do
Hmm?
is,
Speed bump!
oops,
Rahul saying we are not going to the right place for interview.
We're not going to the right place for interview.
Rahul, where is the right place? Please tell us and we will immediately tell our marketing team. Please tell us fast.
Yes.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि अहमदाबाद आप दोनों इससे पहले आए हो
Hmm.
and what is the kind of Gujarati food that you guys have tried before?
I've had a Gujarati thali, which is I think very interesting, which is exactly what I like. It's got meetha, it's got gravy stuff, it's got like sabzi, it's got
That's yum.
great roti. So I think that's yummy, and I think
Are you
especially
guys
the meetha.
allowed to eat all of this?
Yeah, of course. I mean, Katrina's not.
You know, the key is don't eat it all the time. Just a balance.
Okay.
Like it says in Bar Bar Dekho trailer. What is it? The key something the equation to everything is
equation को
balance.
हाँ करने के लिए balance बहुत जरूरी है. किसी
ठीक
भी
है.
equation को
A
solve करने के
special
लिए
gift to
balance
both of
बहुत
you.
Balance होना
Gujarati
बहुत
khakra just
Wow,
now.
Khakra, thank you guys.
Sweet tooth and I'd prefer some meetha.
Oh, so we will give you some meat has our
ये
Guju
क्या
beer.
अच्छी गाड़ी है आपकी गुजरात में
Yeah,
यहाँ पे.
yeah.
Wow,
This is
क्या
our
क्या
This is a
चीजें हैं यहाँ
dukan, not a
पे. Thank
gadi.
you.
This is a dukan.
This is a दुकान.
Yes.
खाने की दुकान.
Katrina
Do you have
lassi
any
and दूध.
chocolate? This is our bag.
Long
of
drive
chocolates.
जाएंगे, full speed जाएंगे, कहीं
और
रुकेंगे
खाकरा
नहीं.
खाएंगे.
Yes. गाना बजाना,
Yes.
खाना पीना.
So any other questions, guys?
हाँ, यहाँ पे.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
You have any questions?
No, you. Do
Of
you
course.
have any questions
Of
for us?
course I have
that you
so
would
many
like us to inform and answer?
Yes. So
Are
how
we
many?
going the right way, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a pilot car with us.
We have a
And-
pilot car, guys.
and
Do not
I know-
worry. Do not take tension. We are definitely going in the right
और
direction.
बिल्कुल आप
Please
चिंता
don't
ना
worry,
करें
we are
क्योंकि
not lost.
अहमदाबाद में जितने रास्ते मुझे पता है आई एम श्योर यू विल बी यू आर इन द सेफेस्ट हैंड्स पॉसिबल इन द सिटी
Yeah, local
Super.
chokri che.
लोकल
I think
आहा
we should
Local
take some
chokri che.
names
What a
here.
puppy
Akash is
Gujarati
saying
guy.
all the best for your movie. Thank you, Akash. That's very sweet of you. Anand is saying, looking so cute, Katrina, and Sid, bro, your avaz is rocking.
Thanks, bro.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh,
Thank
So
you.
good. Can't see you. Can't see you. Also, this is going too fast. Do you
Is it?
like
To do
to do
riverfront.
Kala Chashma on the riverfront? Your lifetime memorable experience.
Would you like to do that?
Sure.
I think we should do Kala Chashma in the car right
We
now,
will
guys.
do
Oh,
Ka-
yes.
we'll do
Somebody
Kala
can
Chashma on the
cue
riverfront for
music.
you. We promise.
Absolutely.
Do you have this? Do you have? Okay, I'll play the song.
You have it in the phone.
Yes, of course.
Let us do it.
I shall do the Kala Chashma for you on the riverfront.
Yay.
On the
promise.
riverfront. Why?
On the riverfront. He was asking. It was a kind request. It seemed heartfelt. Are you missing the dream team? Partha saying I was there dancing behind you guys.
Oh,
Well, if that
wow.
is true. I don't know if it's true, but if that's true, thank you, Parth, for dancing with us. That's amazing.
And
hi,
that video,
Ali.
Katrina, that video
That
was so
video.
cute. You guys did together.
That video.
On your
That was
Facebook
Katrina's
page.
ideas, guy.
That was a
Oh,
superb
the plane
idea.
video.
Yes.
Yeah, that was directed, written, and produced by myself.
Cat.
And now we've
And,
got the song
this,
with
this
us.
was an actor in my video, Siddharth. He was kind enough to do my debut video.
How nice, how nice, how
Very
nice.
kind of him.
So now we are going to all wear Kala Chashma and dance to the song?
You should do the Will Smith one.
Yeah. Ooh. આપણે ગુજરાત યુનિવર્સિટી પાસેથી પાસ થઈ રહ્યા છીએ અમદાવાદ and we are dancing on Kala Chashma. It is Siddharth Malhotra, Katrina Kaif. અને જઈ રહ્યા છીએ રિવરફ્રન્ટ.
Now this dance you
Yeah.
can't do in the car.
Steps.
There's too much
Yes.
jumpy. But we can do some bhangra for you. I can do some bhangra behind the car. Do some bhangra here.
Nice.
That's for you, Ahmedabad, right from our car. Thank you for
Absolutely.
lots of love, and we
I
will
think-
see you guys soon.
And we're gonna see you soon on the riverfront. And I think from now
Yes.
on, we're gonna have a signature move for Kala Chashma for every city.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the signature move for Ahmedabad for Kala
Huh.
Chashma is going to be
Is?
the car step, and the car step is the let's do one,
Yeah.
do the
Yeah.
It's, I'm gonna
Play
call
it again,
I'm
let's
gonna
show
call
it to
the
them
Will
again.
Smith. Let's
Yeah, play it again.
one more.
Let's show it to them
for Kala
again.
Chashma
Every
is
city we're gonna have a personalized step for Kala Chashma. Let's do this.
બરોબર એટલે ધ્યાનથી તમે લોકો સાંભળી લેજો અમદાવાદ. આ સ્ટેપ જે છે ને આખું અમદાવાદ કરતું હોવું જોઈએ. કાળા ચશ્મા, કાળા ચશ્મા, તેનું કાળા 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 કાળા.
That is the Kala Chashma step for Ahmedabad. Tomorrow when we go to wherever we're going,
We're
Jaipur.
gonna give you a new step,
We're gonna
guys.
do one.
This is only for you, Ahmedabad, from the
Very
car,
nice, very nice,
driven by,
fantastic.
driven in the roads of Ahmedabad. Thank you. Lots of love. See you guys soon.
Very good.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.